Hello everyone, this is Shammi from Rex Theme. In this video, I will show you how you can convert drop-down to button swatches easily. And afterwards, in the next few videos, I will show you how you can easily assign a swatch type to variation attributes to present your product variations in the form of swatches. So let's get started. So by default, WooCommerce displays variations as a drop-down option on the product page. So as you can see, this product has color variants as well as size variants. So however, you can convert the variation option from the drop-down to button swatches in just a few clicks using Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. So on your dashboard, you'll find an option called Swatches. So click on it. So initially, you'll be on the General tab. Now click onto the Controls menu of the plugin and now enable the drop-down to button swatch option. Now click onto Save Settings. That's it. Now if I reload the page, you can see this variation options has turned into button swatches. So that's it. However, you'll probably want to use color swatches to display color variants to make it more attractive. So in the next video, I will show you how you can assign a swatch type to your desired variation attributes. And then in the next following video, I will show you how you can use color swatches for color variants. So until then, take care.